myself Nikhilesh. I am graduated from JNT Vizianagaram from the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I had joined in JSpiders Punjagutta 2 months back. Here, the faculty SQL Vaibhav sir started to tell me from the build me topics from the basics, and Pallavi Manav helped me very friendly and solving my problems either in my life or in the subject wise. They are very cooperative. Geeta Madam started doing very student friendly assignments in the classes by doing hands-on assignment. Here all the HRs are very cooperative. Everyone HR are very much enthusiastic to find jobs for the students. They are always available for the students to solve the queries and to help them and guide them in getting the jobs.